ActivForce is evolving with new updates across the platform, from core dashboard improvements to new tools in ActivForce ADVANCED. Test reports in the dashboard have been redesigned with key metric tiles, making results easier to scan and related values easier to compare at a glance. Reports now include expanded subject details like gender, age, and dominant side, giving you more context in every report. You can now manage your name, company name, and account email directly in the dashboard. And for users who want even more workflow capability, there's ActivForce ADVANCED. Test sequences help you save and repeat common workflows, so you can move faster and stay consistent. Assessment Library gives you guided assessment content directly in the workflow, making common tests easier to reference and run. Test history makes it easier to revisit previous sessions and build from what's already been done. These updates are designed with frequent users in mind, making objective testing data easier to read, manage, and learn from. Log into the ActivForce app and dashboard to see the latest updates.